Welcome back. Costco shares are now lower by almost 4% today, despite bullish analyst notes and several price target hikes. After the news, it's hiking membership fees for the first time in 7 years. Fees for new and current members will increase by $5 to $65 annually. Costco has roughly 52 million members, and my next guest doesn't see them bailing and says investors shouldn't either. She just raised her price target to $9.70 from $9.40 and says there's room to run despite the 30% rally already this year and a pricey multiple. Joining me is Laura Champine, Director of Research at Loop Capital. Laura, were there cheers in your house this morning, or was it last night when you saw the membership price hike?
Well, to your point, it is something we've been waiting for a long time, which is probably why the stock is trading a little bit lower today, because they're about 2 years behind schedule. Normally, they raise membership fees every 5 years. This has been more than 7. It is an incremental $400 million, likely, assuming little churn in revenues, and it all flows to the bottom line. So we do think that this is a reason to buy the stock, not sell it today.
Yeah, I suppose a sort of slight touch of the cheekiness in my question is, and Costco is very kind to consumers by saying, look, we normally raise membership fees every 5 years. We're waiting extra this year. We know inflation is taking its toll. They've done things to defend the price of chickens and hot dogs and not hike fees. And now they're choosing their moment to do so. Are they choosing the right moment? Is there a risk that they alienate consumers who are a bit fragile at this point?
So one of the reasons I think it is the right moment is they finally are in a point where for their customers, there is deflation, and there's deflation on food and there's deflation on non-food. And that's because of the efforts Costco has made to become more sustainable, to reduce packaging. A lot of negative press about turning the rotisserie chicken hard shell plastic into bags. Well, that keeps 1,000 trucks off the road every day. So they're finding ways to give members more and more savings, particularly relative to competitors. And we think that's why the timing's actually good. They finally have fought off inflation, at least within the Costco club.
It's really significant what you're talking about. So, okay, so talk about this maybe in competitive context. When we see stocks like Costco and we've seen Walmart breaking out, some say that's a recessionary indicator when you compare it with kind of broader consumer discretionary. Does this feel to you like that kind of turning point right now?
It does make sense. I mean, I liked your lead that Costco is more expensive than NVIDIA, and it certainly doesn't have that kind of growth. But I think the other factor we look for in valuing cash flows is risk. And it is true that most of the income at Costco comes from those membership fees, which are very steady, very low risk cash flows. It does make sense to view these companies as defensive and to own them if we do think the economy is slowing. I would argue that Costco, though, in a good economy, performs equally well because they can do things like step up their investing in international markets where they have 3 times as many members per club.
All right, so you're sticking with it. And by the way, Costco, after the tech, typical tech names, is the next biggest member of the triple Qs. And it's so ironic because some say, well, it's multiples up because it's in that basket. Or you'd argue maybe they've earned their place in that basket given the performance that they've turned in. Who else do you expect anyone else to follow suit? Now, I mean, there's a few others with these kind of membership fee models. Some competitors may be viewed as in a poor competitive position, though.
You know, a mid-cap company that we cover is BJ's Wholesale Club, which typically will follow Costco. Costco's timing is somewhat clever, though, because it gets tough to announce because you're going into back to school and then holiday and then coming out of holiday with the new credit card bills. But I would expect at some point for BJ's Wholesale Club to likely raise their membership fee as well. All
right, Laura, we'll leave it there. A further upside for the giant. We appreciate your time today.
Thanks.